To add your Afterpay card to your digital wallet, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Afterpay app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the card section within the app, where you will find the option to add your Afterpay card to your digital wallet. The digital wallet options available will depend on your device, with common options including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Select the digital wallet you wish to add your Afterpay card to, and follow the prompts to complete the process. You may be required to verify your identity and agree to the terms and conditions of the digital wallet provider. Once you have added your Afterpay card to your digital wallet, you can use it to make purchases online or in store, wherever contactless payments are accepted. To use your Afterpay card, simply open your digital wallet, select the Afterpay card, and authenticate the transaction using your device's security features, such as facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. It is essential to note that you must have a sufficient balance in your Afterpay account to make a purchase, and that you will be required to repay the amount in accordance with your Afterpay repayment schedule. By following these steps, you can easily add your Afterpay card to your digital wallet and enjoy the convenience of contactless payments.